may pressure na nangyayari sa kanila. Yes, yung talagang meant to serve through spirituality. Sila talaga yung tinatawag ngayon. And hindi lang yan, yung mga existing na nasa spirituality na hindi naman talaga nila purpose yon, pero they're just doing that for the money, sila mismo ang sisira ng sarili nilang nasimulan. Kung mapapansin nyo, merong mga tarot readers, practitioners, spiritual practitioners na umaalis sa practice nila. At yung iba kini-claim na they found God, no? But if you come to think of it, so sino yung nagga-guide sa kanila nung nagpa-practice sila nung spirituality na yon, nung whatever modality that they are using? So, 'di ba? Ngayon, yung mga hindi talaga meant to do that, to practice spirituality, to be a healer, to be like a tarot reader, astrologer, witch, kahit yung mga witches na nag-dabble into spirituality, na nagkaroon ng spiritual bypassing, or trinay lang nila just for fun, and eventually they are earning money through that. Tapos wala naman talaga yun sa purpose nila. It's not really part of their destiny, no? Mawawala sila. Like, they will show themselves, like, maalis sila dun sa practice. It's either they will lose interest sa practice, or something will happen na yung iba, like for example, yung mga healers, magkakasakit sila na yung mismong sarili nila hindi nila kayang pagalingin. So that will be the reason para tumigil sila sa ginagawa nila. Example, yung mga tarot readers na who are not meant to channel energies. Yung iba ginagawa lang for money. But like for example, si Alex Reid Starro, bigla na lang siyang nag-step away sa tarot reading, and based on sa kanyang video, no, na it's been a year daw, pero hindi siya nagka-quit, and still collecting money from the clients, and doing readings. And that is dangerous, 'di ba? That is dangerous because hindi makaalis yung isang tao o yung practitioner na yon doon sa ginagawa niya dahil sa pera, but in fact wala na siyang paniniwala doon sa kanyang practice. So that is really dangerous, and I think mas marami pang lalabas na ganyan sa spiritual community. Ano man yung pinapractice mo, even if you're practicing, let's say, tarot reading, witchcraft, healing, astrology, if it's not really meant for you, mawawalan ka ng interest dyan. Yung iba pa is, magkakaroon ng mga depression, mental issues because of that. Or any challenging na mangyayari sa buhay nila that will lead them to step away from the practice. So it's not that because, some people will say, oh, because I've found God and those practices are demonic, no? No. It's because may mga nagdabble into spirituality na hindi naman talaga para sa kanila yon. Like, with the intention of just making money out of a spiritual practice, which is really dangerous. So, if may mga makikita pa kayong ganyan na spiritual practitioners na biglang titigil na lang for some reasons, and that's the reason, kasi they need to, parang kailangan nilang umalis dyan. Kailangan nilang umalis kasi maraming mga destined to do spiritual work, like mga light workers, are waking up right now, and they are the ones na mas pinupush ngayon na mag-serve sa humanity. Matagal pa to, matagal pang proseso to. Hanggang 2028, marami pa yang marireveal. And yung iba, they will still continue what they're doing because of their ego. Until such time na hindi na nila kayang kontrolin yun because something will happen to them. Either sa physical health nila, sa buhay nila, na hindi na nila kakayanin yung ginagawa nila sa spiritual community. So watch out for more spiritual practitioners na magsa-step away sa practice nila. And, kung sinusuportahan nyo tong mga spiritual practitioners na to, and then nag-step away sila sa ginagawa nila, don't feel bad about yourself. Maybe because naniwala ka lang sa kanila at some point in your life. But also, you have to check yourself as well. Kasi baka masyado ka nang naimpluwensyahan ng tao na yon to the point na hindi mo na rin nakikita yung sarili mo. So, you really have to check on yourself as well. They will be revealed. They will definitely be revealed. And malalaman mo rin kung they are after the money, they're just here for the money, is because they are charging ridiculous rates for their practice. Because they want to earn a lot of money as much as they can until such time na they could step away from it and just say na, they've found a different, way of living. Kasi kung talagang ang isang tao ay destined to be a spiritual practitioner na nagsaserve sa ibang tao, until the day they die, they will stay with whatever they do, or until the day na they retire, kumbaga, 'di ba? So you have to be careful sa mga taong sinusuportahan ninyo. You will know because they have this godlike perception of themselves. So you have to be careful. But of course, it's your own journey, no? So it's all on you. But be careful out there kasi marami pa yan marireveal. This is also part of the spiritual revolution, not just the spiritual warfare wherein may nag-aaway-away ng mga spiritual practitioners, but also the revolution of the real spiritual practitioners who are meant to serve humanity, and not for those spiritual practitioners na they're doing their spiritual work for the wrong reasons. So, good luck.